Drop the hammer. It's not turning.
Also, it needs to be about 6 more liters of Coors Light. Going right up. See what happened?
Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, dude, I know what the problem is. It's the trailer hitch.
Just the mere mention of Coors Light. You're already halfway up.
The pure mention of Coors Light. That's the power of the Coors Lattes.
Give it a hammer through here, man.
Need some more pepper.
Give her the pepper.
Give her the pepper. Oh, yeah. Jared, what seems to be the problem?
Let me see. Not enough beans. Being given. Bad idea. Good for entertainment. He has yet to perfect the peel out.
Tell us about the peel out, Jared.
See, the peel out is roll down your window and you yell, y'all want to see a burnout. And then you neutral slam it. Bounce something off.
Gotcha. Oh, dude, I should get over there, man. That sounds good.
Number 1, never trust a spotter with a shit tucked in.
You know, we need to make a video of all the rules. Do you have any other pro tips?
Pro tips? Probably.
Oh, dude, look at him. He's in the jungle over there, dude. He's not even on the trail.
So he was spitting them out. Come up over that tree right there, the tree root. Edgar's back tire came up that tree root.
Yep.
Hey! Start going passenger. Get the passenger. Straight. Okay, right now, you need to gas it. Gas it and go straight over here. Gas it right now. Let's go. You're going straight right there. Right there. You know where the shadow is. Stop it. Yeah. Come on. Gas. Back it up. You're in the tree. Yeah, back it up a little bit. You need to go drive. Keep going. Stop. Now listen. Yeah. When you get up to that shape, you need to stop so I can use some more help. Okay, turn towards that rock, go towards that shape. Gentle, turning too far. Passenger. Listen, see this rock right here? Yeah. Your tires have got to be to the right of it. As soon as you pass it, I want to tell you go left, you got to turn to the driver's side. Go. And you did just start turning. Yes. Gotta keep it close to that rock. Nope.
Damn it, dude, I missed it.
He perfected.
What did he do since I missed it, Jared?
He just perfected the peel out.
He perfected.
See, the key to a nice peel out is to have both front tires off the ground at one point.
Oh, that's what he did?
Yes.
Pretty impressive.
Big gas. Turn left. No. Hit it. He's on the skid. He's John.
Oh, it's getting scared, Dad. You scared it. Ah, dang it. It's spotted. Barely see it.
Don't move.
Right there.
Just pull.
Oh, dude, he's out. There we go. Oh, dude, that's like equivalent to seeing Sasquatch. All right, Jared, tell us about these people's tactics on John
The
Bull.
tactic is why go over the obstacle when you could just go around it.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, so you're saying this is the trail, and oh, yeah, there they are, way over off the. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's cool. Yeah.
He just walks right across. You see that?
No, I think I can do it. Not today, though, right? I can do it when I get a temper. Or maybe if I order my emblem.
He should go right up because he does have a snorkel.
Okay.
So
Snorkel's key.
and then he's being spotted by a guy who works on computers and owns no off-road vehicles. So that's a good idea.
Yeah, dude.
Go straight. Go straight. Oh.
Yes.
Jackie Chan.
He needs to floor it.
He needs to give it more pepper.
Oh, well, he's flooring it into the trees.
It's a sad feeling.
It changes everything when you.
Yeah, I get in my buddy's JK and it's an automatic. This thing's crazy.
This is nice. I
Yeah,
just get a
like
cruise.
A Sunday drive out there. He gets out of mine. He's like, dude, you're kind of busy in here. I'm like, yeah.
It's a lot of work that goes on.
Yeah, that's fun, but yeah. What are you running the tires at?
They're like at 7.
That's the V-Box right there. That's the V-Box right here. That's we got a V-Box. Yeah, man. Hey.
He knows.
Oh.
Yeah, I would say so.
Passenger a little bit. Passenger, yep, right there. Start coming, driver. Hold it there. Don't turn, don't turn. Passenger a little bit as he comes. Right there. Keep coming. Passenger, driver, tiny bit. Yep, right there. Nice and easy. Yep, perfect. Right there. Beautiful. Keep that line, don't turn. Passenger a little bit. Yep. Keep that line.
That one. Yeah, no, perfect.
I haven't done that all day.
Yeah.
We're on Golden Mountain.
Yeah.